Schluter Systems started from a passion for tile. Although tile is the ideal surface covering, what most don't realize is it's what's behind it that leads to a successful, long-lasting installation. We are a family-owned group of companies. With more than 1,000 employees in North America, we have a vision to be the standard for tile installations. Our knowledge, expertise, and thorough understanding of the market allows us to provide innovative solutions and services based on the specific needs of the tile industry. Our products are designed for the installer, by the installer. The company was born when founder Werner Schluter was faced with an all-too-common challenge. Exposed tile edges are vulnerable to chipping and breaking. His solution was to install a metal L-angle to finish and protect the tile edges. In 1975, the Schluter Sheen Profile was born, marking the beginning of an entirely new category within the tile industry. Over the next decades, Werner Schluter continued to recognize challenges faced by the tile setter and develop practical solutions. Profiles are designed to produce long-lasting installations by protecting exposed tile edges from damage for various applications, including floors, walls, stairs, and movement joints. Schluter Ditra, the original uncoupling membrane, protects tile and grout from cracking due to substrate movement in floor applications. The Schluter Shower System is an integrated family of products, including membranes, drains, and substrates that create a sealed system for waterproofing tiled showers. Schluter Curdy Board is a lightweight, waterproof building panel used to create tile substrates on walls and construct bathtub platforms, vanities, and various other assemblies. And Ditra Heat, the first electric floor warming system to integrate uncoupling technology. To install all these products, we now produce Schluter Thin Set Mortars, specifically designed to work with our membranes and boards. With so many products to offer and new ones being constantly developed, we strive to meet the needs of the tile industry and solve tile installation challenges. We believe it's important to understand the background and history of the tile industry in order to recognize and integrate proper installation practices. We train not only about our products, but also about industry-approved methods for tile installation. Our technical experts hold nationwide workshop sessions consisting of both classroom and hands-on instruction, and on-site seminars outlining the latest solutions for tile installation challenges. We also invest as much in the continuous training and development of our employees. Schluter Systems also provides easy access to learn from the comfort of home. We offer detailed installation videos, e-learning courses, and technical literature and handbooks to educate and guide you. The goal is to educate and empower our installers to improve their business and provide the best tile installations possible. In addition to the main office in Germany, there are 7 subsidiaries and Schluter representatives in over 30 countries. Today, Schluter North America has offices and extensive production facilities in Plattsburgh, New York, Reno, Nevada, Montreal, Quebec, and Dallas, Fort Worth, Texas. And with the support of an extensive distribution network, Schluter Systems is available wherever you are. Schluter Systems is aware of our social responsibilities to the environment. Some of our offices and warehouses throughout North America are LEED, Leadership in Energy and Environmental Design, Gold certified, and use a multitude of sensible and sustainable technologies that maximize energy efficiency. With our passion for tile, and with the industry and installation practices constantly evolving, Schluter Systems will continue to be at the forefront of innovation.